Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block all ads on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. Open Settings. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings application. This is your central hub for managing your phone, including security, network settings, and even storage. Step 2. Configure private DNS. Now, let's set up a private DNS to block most ads system-wide. In the Settings menu, tap on Connections. Scroll down and select More Connection Settings. Tap on Private DNS. Choose the option Private DNS Provider Hostname. Type in dns.edgard.com. Tap Save. This setting helps block ads at the DNS level, meaning many apps and websites won't be able to load ad content. Step 3. Adjust Google Ads settings. Now let's minimize personalized ads from Google services. Go back to the main settings screen. Scroll down and tap on Google. Tap on All Services or Ads. This may vary slightly by device. Select Ad Privacy. Here you'll find options like Ad Topics, Ad Suggested Ads, Ad Measurement. Turn all of these off to reduce how ads are tailored to you. Step 4. Reset and delete advertising ID. Next, we want to stop advertisers from tracking you. Still under the Google Ads section, tap Reset Advertising ID. Confirm your choice. Then tap on Delete Advertising ID and confirm again. This makes it much harder for advertisers to follow you across apps and services. Step 5. Disable Extra Ad Services. We're almost done. Let's turn off some additional tracking. In the same menu, look for Debug Logging Ads. Turn it off. Go back and find Usage and Diagnostics. Turn this off as well. This stops sending usage data to Google that could be used for ad targeting. Congratulations! You've just blocked most ads across your Samsung device. While this won't catch 100% of ads, especially those built into apps, it will significantly reduce what you see daily. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.